this is pretty much the home screen of the VPN application. Very easy to use. You have the connection button here, as well at the top here. Pretty much go ahead and select your servers. So not much for the server section there, as you can see. So I can tap on this option here. We'll start connecting. We'll ask for connection with us. Let's tap on OK here, and it will start connecting in no time. So very basic. I've reviewed so much of these VPN applications. I've reviewed one the other day, and I even think I've dropped 3 tutorials on these VPN applications. So they are very simple to use. I'm not sure what your thoughts on these VPN applications, so please make sure to comment below and let me know what your thoughts on these VPN applications. I know it's fast, but there's just limited amount of servers, and you don't get the option to choose much more than just those servers. So yeah, let me know your comments. Let me know your thoughts on this VPN application here. And with all that said, guys, see you in the next one.